Welcome back into the mystery, where every hidden truth is exposed. If you are a new visitor, please do well to subscribe, like, and engage with our posts. If you're watching from other platforms, don't forget to click the follow button. Thank you. Now, let's dive deep into today's truth. Have you ever felt like your intuition has gone silent, like the voice that once guided you is no longer speaking? You sit in silence, hoping to feel something, but all you hear is confusion, doubt, noise. Let's be honest, you're not broken, but there's a reason why you can't hear your intuition. And the truth is, it's not because it's not speaking, it's because you're not quiet enough to listen. The world is too loud. We live in a world that is constantly screaming at you, hustle, perform, be available, scroll, swipe, click. How can you hear the subtle voice of your soul when you're drowning in the voices of everyone else? Your intuition is not a shout, it's a whisper, a quiet knowing beneath the noise, and if your life is too loud, you won't hear it. You're distracted by fear. Many times intuition is blocked by fear. Fear of making the wrong decision, fear of what others will say, fear of change, but fear speaks from the past. Intuition speaks from the now, and as long as you keep feeding fear, your soul's voice will stay buried underneath it. You don't trust yourself. Sometimes the problem isn't that your intuition isn't clear, it's that you second-guess it. You feel something deep in your gut, but then your mind takes over. What if I'm wrong? What if this doesn't make sense? But intuition isn't logical, it's energetic, it's spiritual, it's a compass that doesn't show the whole map. Just, the next step. To hear it, you must trust it. Let me share a story. There's a woman named Angela from South Africa. Quiet, soft-spoken, always the good girl. But for years something gnawed at her inside. She had a secure job and a relationship that looked right on the outside, but her spirit felt trapped. Every time she sat alone, she heard a whisper, leave, move, begin again, but she didn't, until one morning on a walk, she passed a quiet tree, and for a brief second, she felt complete peace, no voice, no thunder, just clarity. She went home, quit her job, and left the relationship. Everyone said she was crazy. 2 years later, she became a healer, helping people with anxiety and trauma. Her peace became medicine for others. She said, I didn't know where I was going, I just knew I couldn't stay where I was. That's intuition. So how do you reconnect to yours? First, create sacred silence daily. Take 10 minutes a day to just sit with yourself. No phone, no music, no distractions, just your breath and your awareness. Intuition lives in stillness. Cleanse your inner space. You can't hear clearly when your emotional body is cluttered. Heal, journal, release, cry, forgive. The more you clear, the more you hear. Follow the small nudges. Your intuition isn't always thunder. Sometimes it's a whisper, a strange feeling, a gentle pull, a quiet no. Follow it. The more you honor the small signs, the louder they become. Strengthen your energy field. Intuition is spiritual. Ground yourself, meditate, work with nature, drink clean water, protect your energy from chaotic environments. Your soul needs a safe temple to speak from. The truth is, your intuition never left you. It's been whispering all along, waiting for you to get still enough, quiet enough, honest enough, to finally hear it again. Don't rush, just return. Because the most powerful guidance you'll ever receive will not come from the world. It will rise from within. This is Into the Mystery. If this message found you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone whose soul needs clarity. And subscribe, so you never miss the voice within again.